Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? I know you are in tense from Corona. I know, but now I will give one good news about our football. This that good news is we have to do the practice in our summer camp. Our principal sir has given a big opportunity for us. He a good platform, but now I want your full support for this mega event. I know you can't live without football. Same thing with me, I can't live without football. And main thing is KKPS can't live without football. You know very well about that. Yes or no? Yes. Then in this summer camp we have to learn lot of things. For example, we have to do exercises, we have to do fun and others. Children, you listen properly. Today our first day of this summer camp. That's why I am going to introduction about the football and about our summer camp, because from tomorrow I will take your exercise, matches, fun exercise, skill practice, technique practice, etc. Understood? But before that, you have the knowledge about this summer camp. That's why I am giving to speech this. Main thing is, when you are watching this video or my exercises, that time you have to give your feedback or your choice. If you want other exercise, other skills, other techniques you have to learn, you send me SMS or mail, then I will provide you that exercise and techniques. If you have some doubts, you have some queries, that queries you have to ask in summer camp, because suppose this is our recovery period, means because of corona is going on, that's why our whole world is stopped, you know that about. But now what we have to do in summer camp, we have to prepare for next session, because whenever school will start, that time we will not get the chance for preparation. That's why I will give some suggestions, some tips and other important things which you have to follow that, and you have to learn, and then you have to perform whenever our matches will be there. Understood everyone? Children, when we are doing practice, that practice we have to tell preparatory phase. I will tell you what we have to do in exactly in summer camp, because it is a very important phase of our life, because we need some activeness in that, in this lockdown situation. Why I am telling like this? Because whenever our school will be open, that time we will not get the chance for preparation. 2-3 times continuously I am telling you, we have to play directly matches. That's why we have to learn, play and do the exercise very seriously in this summer camp. Understood? In this summer camp, your active participation is very important for me and you also, because whenever I will teach you important techniques, skills, that time you have to learn and watch properly what exactly I will teach you. Yes. Then second important thing is I will teach you with ball techniques and without ball techniques. For example, I will teach you ground measurements, rules and regulation, players position, game plan. See, this is a player's position. Exactly where you have to stand during the match. What is your position in the match or in the game? I will teach you. I will teach you as well as fundamental skills of football. For example, push pass means passing. Passing I will teach you. In that passing topic, some different passing there is. For example, push pass. You know, in our local language, we will use which word? Touches. You know that. See, this type touches we done lot of times on our ground. See, what is the position when you push the ball? I will teach you in that session. Then dribbling, what should exactly you have to do, exactly what should you have to do in match, I will teach you. This is my photo. For example, I will give when I was playing, what is my position during the dribbling, you have to learn that. Then I will teach you heading, like a Cristiano Ronaldo. When he take the head, how he lift in air, I will give you important tips about that. See that Ronaldo, how long he come in air. See, goalkeeping, you know who is he? You know very well. I will teach you goalkeeping. Then we have to learn throwing. Mostly our all footballers do foul in throwing, you know that. Then I will teach you kicking practice. Then shooting. Afterwards I will teach you in main part of that summer camp what exactly with ball techniques. Then afterwards without ball technique, feinting is very important part of match, you know that. Then afterwards we have to do some activities with me. Then I will take fun exercise and fun games. We have to involve in that games with your family. I will give you little bit tips, then you have to follow that. It is very interesting part of this summer camp. When we will do the exercise, that time you have to do with me. Then you will get very easily what should exactly you have to do in that activity, then as well as in that exercise. Our session will be in 3 parts every day. First, we have to start from exercise. Second one, specific skills, and afterwards cooling down exercise. It is our session index. You can say like this. Session will for class 4 to 10 standard. It is common session because no change about exercise. It will be in common. 4th standard in common, in 10th standard also common. That's why 4 to 10th standard will watch this video and session, as well as you have to involve in this summer camp class 1st to 10. It will be very proud moment for us. Then I have to tell two things. Our main purpose of this summer camp, देखो, सीखो, फिट रहो, घर में रहो, सुरक्षित रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो.